lento angazi angihlula. Kodwa sanibonani, Dumelangi, Absheni ninjani? Ngithi angivele la ngizoveza i-application yami namhlanje ye-makeup. What? Like what? And this is no filter. Athi ngiconfirm kahle ngazikhuluma into engekho because ngiyikhiphile le filter yami engiyithandayo. Let us check. Beautify makeup. Yeah, well, this is with the filter. This is with no filter. I don't know why. This is with the filter. I love these eyes. And this is without a filter. Ayahamba ngamehlo. Ikona ke ngizizwa ngidiza mangibuka inkophe shem ngiyandiza ngifuna ngasho. But nithini ku makeup yami nithini. Ngiza nayo kancane. I definitely would not be wearing. Ngabe ngiphoqiwe matho ngigqoka le inkophe lezi. Mayiqiniso ngabe ngiphoqiwe. Ngicela ukwehlisa lokushayina kusemlonyeni ngeke ngicasule. Ngizobuya manje. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Ngidlala ama-risk ngale rouge orange, you know. I wanted yeah. Ngiriskile ngalo rouge orange because I feel like as a makeup artist kumele ukwazi ukwenza konke. However, I just don't like lipsticks nje kwi makeup, and the reason being is sometimes uthola isikhumba sakho sama lips asikho right, so uma usufaka lipstick kuma lips acrackile ngathi u-shopping queen. Yebo ngathi nje u-shopping queen. I must say le makeup le slaps, especially uma ukuzofaka makeup kanje bese ufaka iduku, because yazi makeup iqedelelwa i-weave. Yebo bengivilapha, it was not kana bengenza i-content but bengivilapha ukufaka i-weave ahlangahlangene amanye ase-salon, so I'm not about to hair dry and I just want to see application yami. And I took my sweet damn time and I think I'm happy. I'm so happy. Okhona nje ose-Soweto, ose-Jozi, ose-Foslo, ose-Tefontein. I need models for next week. Ose-Soweto, ose-Jozi, ose-Tefontein, ose-Foslo. So lezo indawo lezo. So obviously uma isuke Foslo, so it's Foslo, Katlehongi, Albertini, lezo indawo lezo. Osoweto noma ngaye kuphi. Uyabo? Mezokwazi nje ufike eBar. Ngamlanda khona. Ose-Tefontein, ose-Drobhen noma ngaye kuphi. Please, I need a model for next week engizomenza ubuso, because I feel like vele ubuso bami I'm bound to master ubuso bami because ngijwayele ukuzenza mina, uyabo? But ngifisa ukwazi ukuthi ngenze nabanye abantu. So ngiyanicela nje, right? Hi Kamajola, ukuphi Sithando? Ukuphi Kamajola? Please just tell me ukuthi ukuphi. Yeah, noma ngingathola nje 3 ama models. Please ukuphi nendawo Kamajola. Because now ngiyabuka ukuthi the more I'm doing my makeup, kufanele ukuthi akusenze umehluko, yabo, but I need to be able to practice as well nakwabanye abantu. Ngicela nirate-le iy'nkophe lezi, ngibona ngathi ngiyandisa. Ngiyibona nguwumuntu ondizayo straight. Ngiyibona nje ngindiza kulezi iy'nkophe. And now ukungifrustrate-ayo ukuthi these are, according to ipack engiyithengile, lezi ezingathi zi-decent, ziphakathi nendawo. Khona eziyi-worse kunalezi. Noma ukuthi mina nginamehla amancane, I don't know. So I'm just frustrated because uma ngabe wenza omakoti, ama-bridesmaid, akumele kube uglama engathi uye eklabhini, yabo. I feel like makeup iyahluka. Makeup yomakoti and bridesmaid must be elegant. Lezi iy'nkophe lezi are giving bad bitch, yabo. They're giving city girls. It's giving bizongani baddies, yabo. So yonto engifrustrate njengamanje leyo ukuthi ngizoyitholaphi. And sekulate la nokuyithenga khona iy'nkophe right, ngiyithenga ku-Temu. So nje sekulate. Kamajwala mama kuphi? Ngizophinda futhi ngicela umuntu ose-Soweto, anyway in Soweto, ozokwazi nje ukufika ePara. Umuntu oko Soweto, right? Uza go Southgate, uza go The Glen, because when I stay at The Glen. So umuntu ozosuka from anywhere in Soweto uzokwazi ukufika ePara at least. Noma uma usuka from ePara uza ngapha shuthi o Southgate, o Mondio, right? Anyone ongalapho nose The Glen futhi please. Usuka from e4 slow eKatlehong, noma eKaggaris, Katlehong, angizazi indawo ngaleyo, Lenasia, Alberton, uza ngapha futhi nakhona The Glen, right? Nosuka from eDrobheni, Tefontein, angiyazi indawo lela Gold Receipt. Nosuka from lapho ngicela umazisi, anyone who just wants to get her glam done. I need 3 models, please. Naye weave futhi akayiphathi weave yakhe mayilukile right elukile, there's no problem. Ngiyakwazi nanokuinstallana, but I don't charge for install. But ngiyakwazi nanokuinstall, so nje we're just gonna do a nice little, just training for me. Naye akakwazi ukuthi abe mhle. Snake ukimine ngizenzile makeup. Angithi nje manje ngi-advertise wona umsebenzi wami. Ngiqeda ukuzenza njengamanje. Ngiqeda nje ukuzenza right now. So it's not bad. Bengizama ukubheka nje ama-shades, yabo. However, I'm not happy with the pigment yama eyeshadow I'm not happy. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi so I did content ngingazike noma beyikhale nge-space. But I did do content and I did share ama-products amasha amanye ngiwathengile, yabo. Amanye ama-products into bengiyikhulumile izolo guys ekuthenini bengibonile ukuthi bengisebenzisa kakhulu ama-high-end products, kanti angikholele ukuthi i-skill sami nesandla sami sesifikile ekuthenini nginga-charge abantu imali e-serious. So now if I'm using mhlampe for an example i-foundation ka-850 bese mina ngizo-charge kodwa umuntu mhlampe u-500, I'm making a loss because uma ngikhuluma nge-foundation e-850, that's one thing. Uma ngabe wenza makeup yazi bengigula ngekhanda mina because ngisho ne-skin prep sami guys bekuyila Roche. Abaziyo i-lotion nje yokugcoba, i-cream yokugcoba ebusweni yela Roche lapho ko-500, i-serum ihamba ko-700, and then there has to be a hydrating mist mhlampe nayo futhi ko-600. So nje singakaqali kuyifaka nje makeup esisa-prep because i-setting i-primer le setting spray saka-MAC I think siko-600. So singakaqali nje ukufaka i-makeup mina futhi umuntu bese ngimfaka ama-products alapho ko-2.5 3,000 angakayiqali makeup. So ngabuka ukuthi no man, I'm not going about this the right way, yabo. Let me just start all over. Angizama ukuthola ama-drugstore, right? Ngithole ama-drugstore makeup. So drugstore makeup ilama makeup okwazi ukwathola ko-Clicks, ile makeup okwazi ukuyishola ko-Discam. Ngathi ngizama i-drugstore makeup ngikwazi ukubheka ukuthi iyiphi ekwazi ukwenza kahle. And I don't want to lie, le foundation le ile yaka Maybelline Benefit Me or Fit Me, something like that. Clicks i-160 or 130 somewhere there, but the original price yayo is 190, right? So iku-sale, just in case you phone. It is beautiful. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi there is no filter. Ngiphinde futhi wema, sorry, this is with the filter. This is no filter. This is filter, this is no filter. Obviously ke mhlawumbe nefoni iyenze kwenzayo ngoba siphethe amafoni abola akwazi ukuthi aphaphathana kugeze kahle, but sebenzile Phumla Midrand. I do, so right now as I'm saying, I'm looking for models, but I do house calls. Ngiyafika yonke indawo, akukho la ngafika khona, eGauteng akukho la ngafika khona. This weekend nje ngine gig eseNquthu. So when I have to go out of Gauteng, when I have to go out of Gauteng, minimum has to be six customers. So njengoma quote nama bridesmaid, I think I was 6, so about 7. So akukho la ngafika khona. Ngiyacela, please follow my business page at Dahlia Glam Studio. Ikona on Facebook, ikona on Instagram, ikona on TikTok. Akona nama contact details ami laphayana. So yeah, kukanjalo. Uyabo, siyaphusha ngapha uma ngabe kusathe ukuthula kancane ngapha kwi-deco, siphusha ngapha. Uyabo. So nje everywhere siyazama. Sengizozama njengamanje ukuba nje a bit more, yabo, a bit more consistent. Because I'm not lingapheli iviki without me trying makeup. So what I do, often nokuyizamela, what I do is ngingena ku YouTube, ngibuka ama Nigerian MUAs, Nigerian makeup artists. So ngibheke bona, ngibheke nama products abawasebenzisayo and their technique. Yabo, that's what I do. Sometimes ngingenelana ngeresearch kulo TikTok, which is the best primer, which is the best drugstore foundation, kanjalo. So that's what I do. I-makeup ngiqala ukuyifaka 2016 ukuthi ngizange ngasho ukuthi ngizange ngithathe serious kangako. Ngiba makeup phela ongoye, yabo, ngaleso skill ishiya lami lelikhulu leli limnyama la songoye ngangilishaya. And then when I started doing my tender, I stopped. I stopped because I never really wanted to do izinto eziku beauty. But now I'm at the age where I understand ukuthi beggars can be choosers. So ngiyiphosa yonke indawo la ngikwazi khona. Iskill sami la sikhona ngikhona. So njengamanje nje I know ebleeding lami there's kuninganyana because I need to help as well ukumala with advertising umcimbi lona uzayo. There's something else good pipeline that I can't announce yet. And you go look. So please, just a mere follow. And then I also do ama one-on-one lessons. It's 1,000 rand without a kit, and then it's 2,000 rand with the basic makeup kit. So my basic makeup kit is the kit is okuvumela ukuthi wenze kanje. And leli 1,000 rand leli sisebenza nawe ngeke ube pro most probably, but sisebenza nawe uzukwazi ukwenza. So sisebenza nawe uzukwazi ukwenza omunye umuntu if you want to do omunye umuntu. And then it takes skill. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi mina lento ngayiqala 2016, but nami ngisabona ukuthi akhona ama loopholes nama gaps engakabi nawo. Uyabona ukuthi kuzomela ukuthi upractice kakhulu. So please follow my business pages so that nizokwazi ukuthi go nibe updated. Sengizozama nje ukuthi ngibe uyabo. iBhayibheli ebengilifunda this morning, I think bengifunda mangaphosisi, it was Ecclesiastes 11. Belikhuluma ngokuthi if you wait for your conditions to be favorable, you will never sow, and therefore you will never reap. I remember very well when I wanted to do lento makeup, right? Mangaphosisi, it was this year or end of last year. But my mom has been pressurizing me because uyangazi ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukwenza makeup, yabo. And I kept on thinking, Guti, no, I had to wait for favorable conditions. Like, I wanted to launch, an epic launch, and therefore means I had to have a lot of money. I wanted to do all of these fancy photo shoots. One of these introducing MUA type of photo shoots. A nice, beautiful suit studio. So, that nice, beautiful launch, 10K minimum. I wanted to be able to do that. Bengifuna ukuthi page lami libe or nje khona mangake check la amanye ama MUA i-content yabo, they do it with professional photographers, professional videographers, and therefore that meant ukuthi minimum mhlawumbe ama-videographer nje right, proper quality alapho ko-2,000 to 3,000 rand, right, which means per shoot, per content ebengizoyifaka bekuzoba imali kangako yabo. And I delayed. I hired graphic designer to design my logos. I was not happy with the logos, right? So I couldn't use them. Delay, and I did incur imali. Ngabuka ukuthi like ngaze ngaphelela amandla yabo. Ngabuka ukuthi I'm nansi into ezongilimaza, always wanting the conditions to be favorable before you start. Yabo, like ufuna ukuthi uqale ngecamera sorry, I think ngiyajuluka yini yizo zonke izinto esiyi-check-ayo kulama setting spray. Ngabuka ukuthi if I'm gonna want ukuthi ngiqale ngebhem engathi mhlawumbe ngizalwa umnsiphe or something, I'm never gonna start. And so I started. So this is just me sharing to you ukuthi now ngisho noma ungenayo mhlawumbe thina abanye ke sinana leyo dladla ukuthi sinana iPhone, ngisho noma ungenayo iPhone, whatever that you want to start edinga ukuthi yenze content ungenalutho. Buka uMark, the shopper queen. Her content, she never started her content as glamorous. Man, she says I'm photo shoot are glamorous and they're so beautiful, but she didn't start there. Uqala ngalokho okuncane onakho. Right, and with consistency and perseverance, right, where even if you get one like, because oh my god, when you go to our business pages, ukhona one like, ukhona one view, with no comments, post kakhulu, even if kuba kanjalo, but you must continue posting. You must perseverance and persistence and consistency as well. Ngelinye ilanga kuthiwa isibusiso, what people define as luck is readiness, right? Is when leso sibusiso falls on you and you are ready. People call that luck. Because most of the time we do get these opportunities, we are never ready. And we ready wakhona, it's often kuba ready mentally, where you have told yourself, enough is enough. I am tired of living the way I'm living. I am tired of being in a position of lack. Now I want to be in the other position. So it starts with mindset, right? And before you can even do all of these things, regardless of how the climate will be, regardless of how the environment will be, regardless of how people receive me, I am going to push through. So that's what we are trying to do. Ngifana nengane ke lento engikhulumayo njengamanje, because kwamina it's so challenging. It's very, very challenging. It really is. Angifuna ungasho. Yeah, it is. Thank you, Kabile. Ngiyabonga ama-garage. Angisazi ebulungisa. Sasifunda kweyiphi crash. Johannesburg CBD and Vosloorus ngihlala kuzo zo-2 indawo. Okay, Kamajola, no problem. Ngizocela please ungisendele i-message khona, ungisendele nenamba yakho so that sizokwazi ukuthi si-communicate kangcono on WhatsApp, right? Sikwazi ukuhlela usuku. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngizohamba nje, I'm gonna be quite exhausted, so sizohlela mhlawumbe ukuthi later on next week sikwazi ukuthi siyenze i-glam session. Kwenze njani-ke manje ngumncedisi? Into engenza ngabona leli page lakho ngiyabonga. Othi ngivuke ngithi ntithi, Khanyi, thank you so much. Yonke ngihlezi ngifisa leyo ukuthi when I do speak, yize nami ngiyingane kulezi ezinye izinto engiyangizisho because nami I do struggle kakhulu. Hence why ngaze ngathi kini mina I wish ukuthi go live. Ngingakho ngikhetha live than doing videos. Is that I can be vulnerable as well. Is that I can also share my struggles and sikhulisane sonke yabo. Into engiyibona on social media ebhedayo is how, and I mean they're entitled to, everybody has that right yabo to choose what they want to post, when to post, and to bayibeka kanjani. So iyayisenza sibe nale impression yokuthi people don't go through a lot yabo. Isenza sibe nale impression ukuthi people are perfect. Isenza sibe nale impression ukuthi umuntu mangabe sezoyilontsha le business lakhe seli successful kube ngathi akubanga nama failure mhlambe awu10 before that one yabo success. So I la kulo live bengifisa ukwazi ukuthi just nami share the journey yabo, and just share as well the struggles that I go through. Njengoba ngisho nje ukuthi mina I struggle kakhulu with consistency yabo, because mina bengicabanga ukuthi my business must be dictated by how I feel yabo. The grind and working must be dictated by how you feel, and mawuzoya ngaloyo mqondo loyo ngeke uye ndawo uzoluke nje udlala back and forth uma ngale ukuthi hayibo you've been up mhlambe for 10 full years but awuyiboni ngempela progress ukuthi iyaphi, ngoba uyothi 3 steps back, 3 steps forward, 7 steps back, 3 steps forward, 7 steps back, and somehow it's like usathana uhlezi sibuka kabona. Once you start moving usathana usuke sela yabo. Ezama ngawo wonke amaqhinga to make sure that you trip, and then once you trip bese yagcoba akucindezela ukuthi vele ubuthwenzani yini le kwenza ukuthi ubone ukuthi ungcono wena, yini le kwenza ukuthi ubone ukuthi wena ungaphumelela ama circumstances kanje yabo. So those are the struggles that we go through, but masibambisene nje sikwazi sibe vulnerable. Mina ngeke ngikhohle kodwa umuntu wathi deko yami ngathi yamandiya and I laughed, and at that time ngathi mangibona I'm like yo ngempela ngathi yamandiya, but that didn't make me want to stop. Instead it made me want to even do more yabo. So kukanjalo nje. So ngiyacela please follow my business page. So I've got 2 business pages. I've got the head page is NSD Trading. So my company is a group company. Eyenza into eziningi ngaphansi yabo, but because ngingedwa esikhathini esiningi ngiyazizwa ngiba overwhelmed yabo. I do have a assistant yami nokungisiza, but she's not hired full time. So most of the time ngiyabambela izinto and ngiyakuzwa ukusinda. But anyways, I have my business page, which is my head page, which is NSD Trading. Wona onedeko bese uba nemqasho yami yabo. Oh God bless imqasho yami. Ayikho ibhizinisi engangihluphi njengalelo uNkulunkulu wami. Bese ke ngiba ne Dahlia Glam. So ngivuse ibhizinisi lami lakudala lapho leli engangenza kulo makeup. It's still transferring. So angibazi abalungu bebethi it doesn't transfer, it locks it in. Bachaza ukuthini? Angikho happy. Yipi i-primer right cause ave ngijuluka. So right now mina i-primer engiyisebenzisayo i-primer le yaka MAC, i-setting spray, i-primer and setting spray. But yabo njengoba nami nje ngiloke ngenza kanje, mina nginako umuntu ojuluka kakhulu and ngisendlini. So uma ngabe ngikwazi ukubona ngathi ku-T-zone yami la ngisajuluka suthi angayitholi kwamina right yabo. Angiwathandi-ke kakhulu la wenza umuntu abe dry. I believe in i-glow yabo, njengoba nje ubona nje the glow le ngiyayithanda ke glow. So angikuthanda ukuphasha, angithandi makeup ematte, ngithanda makeup eglowy. So mangasho nje I haven't found nami i-primer that I can say iyakwazi ukuthi ikubambe kulokho. However nginazo wonke ama-setting spray, mhlawumbe I've got ama-setting spray awu4 ekuthiwa kumele into ingamove. Ngifake le yaka L'Oreal today, angifaka ngale enye Lama ngiyishakale engena izoba right sizobona. Start where you are, please. Exactly. That's where you should start. You must start where you are. Yeah, but if you're gonna wait for the weather to be okay and be okay, no. Sorry, couldn't bang phone. So if you wanna wait for the conditions to be favorable, you will never ever start. Yeah, well, because okay, bathi ngibhale business page lami. Ngizobhala phi? Yabona. Comment at Dahlia at Dahlia Glam Glam Studio. Can I want to pin it. Pin the comment. Yes. Please follow my business pages. Yes, Nasip. Okay, I do travel for makeup clients. I do travel outside of Johannesburg. It must be 6 clients. Within Johannesburg, I do charge transport fee, petrol fee. But nje go 500. Oh, Nkosi yami iminyaka. Siyabonga. Nibe right-ke manje. So I don't know. I think sekulate and ngizizwa ngilambile. I think sekulate ukuthi ngingenze nge-makeup kuzovela kube mnyama because bengithi ngizoyisusa ngenze enye. But I think sekulate ukuthi ngenza enye. Should singayenza kusasekuseni. I am happy nale makeup. Mhlambe seningasho if nifisa ngingene khona estate agent mina ngiyibona kusasa. Mhlambe seningasho mangabe benifisa ngenze live kusasa ngibe ngenza i-makeup. Sombana we yo mangathi kuba kuningi kumele ngikwenze kusasa. Mhlambe khona sithi please don't break up with Khumalo. Oh, thank you. Awungikhulumise nendi yaphela. Liyageza ngiyaphila nhlakanipho. How do you manage safety when going to clients? I have not had a problem. Either I drive or I get my driver. Yeah. So I've never had a problem about, but you are raising a very, very valid concern, Mam Demand. But obviously you send your location in advance. Yeah, you have to send your location in advance. Ngicela kubuso bomuntu engizomenza makeup mina, yabo. Just to make sure ukuthi I bring ama-shade right ngihambe ne-makeup yami yonke. So ngiyacabanga nalokho mhlambe kungangisiza. But yeah, I've never had an issue. And nanokuthi ke I've never had to go elokishini mhlambe yabo. Usually ama clients lawa nokungibhuka ama-house call bakuma estate yabo. So yabona ngikhuluma nje into ebaluleke ngempela mangathiwa nje ngibhukwa mhlambe endaweni engeke ibe safe yabo, noma endaweni mhlambe ngathi Dodge, but it hasn't happened. So yeah, as you just raised a very, very valid concern. Ngangicabanga nje ukuthi yo ngenza kanjani, but yikho nje just making sure ukuthi khona umuntu owaziyo ukuthi ukuphi yabo whenever you go, ukuze nje uma ngabe ngasatholakala phela kuyaziwa ke njengoba ngisho ukuthi mina la ekhaya ke we've got constant communication. So the moment I leave and sekuphela ama-hour umuntu wami engangitholi yabo, I know ukuthi he would be worried Yabo. Nje u-Uber wami is linked to my father and uKhumalo. Juni, akukho la bangazikhona. Mangabe ngisebenzise nje u-Uber, akukho la bangazikhona. Baba mzangifonela uthe uyahamba noSipho. Akukho la abangaboni khona. U-Uber wami une-pin, right? Okokuqala lokho. Une-voice recording, so the ride is recorded. And notify uKhumalo as well as ubaba wami everywhere where I go. Wabo, so... yeah. How far are you from Alberton? I need makeup. I need a makeup artist for my birthday. 15 minutes. Yo, look, I'm 15 minutes away. How do you link your Uber to someone, guys? How did I link it to Babam? Actually, because Kukumalo, it's a matter of just him having the app. He has the app. Yeah, but I think link Babam because he doesn't have the app. He doesn't have my login details. I think ukhona nje option awungena nje kuma settings ubheke lapho ko saved. I think kuyenzeka. Yabo, because akukho nje la ngayikhona bengawaboni khona malento, but uKhumalo has the actual app. Yabo. Yeah, so ishare app kahle hle ya Uber. Ukhumalo vela akayazi kwakuyazi mina nokuyisebenzisa. Yes, live location and hourly check-ins. Yes, ngifuna ukuqala a client-based business, but ngisaba hijacking or something else. Mam demand. Ngiqalile la ngakhuluma ngale ndaba ngathi yes, safety is a priority. Safety is key, right? However, mina I believe ukuthi ayikho into endlula ukuvikela uNkulunkulu. Yabo, esingakwenza ke konke lokho ko-Uber nani mina mangena nje emotweni I pray. Mangiphuma nje la endlini I pray. Mangivuka ekuseni I pray. Ungena kwami emotweni ngihlezi ngisho ukuthi ngikhulekela ukuthi emgaqweni ngibe vigilant, right? Ngikhulekele nanokuthi nalabo abanye abadrivayo wabo uNkulunkulu angisindise kubona, because njengamanje uma ngabe usemgaqweni udrive imoto yakho kuphela, udrive nemoto yabanye abantu. Ngikhulekele na hijacking ngenza ngiphume ngala isangweni. Ingenzeka, abanye bayakenzeka. Yabo, ngikhulekela kwayona hijacking, so I pray. Yabo, I pray ukuthi nje uNkulunkulu angivikele ngukho konke. And so far so good. Yabo, hleze ngivikelile, angilenzi nje lelo phutha, ngangena nje emotweni ngiyakhuleka. And angidingeka ukuthi kuze kube lentweni nje, angivali namehlo, ngakhuleka ngibe sengiyidrive imoto. Yabo, so mina lokho kuyangivikela. And ngiyangikholelwa ukuthi uma ngabe isikhathini esiningi izinto zakho uzenza from inhliziyo emhlophe nasendaweni right, yazi uNkulunkulu uyakwazi ukubona lokho. And uma ngabe kuzokwenzeka okubuhlungu, uyazi yena ukuthi usike kwabeleni. Yabona nje ngihlezi ngisho ukuthi mina, if you are in tune and aligned to uNkulunkulu, anything that happens that is bad will work for his glory, which means it will benefit you as well. You might not see it namhlanje, you might not see it tomorrow, but soon enough uyokwazi ukubona ukuthi yazi lento ebalekile ukuthi yenzeke. Yabo, mina ngangike ngantshontshelwa i-laptop, kanti futhi uNkulunkulu ayefuna ukuthi ngisole i-laptop entsha. Yabo, kuningi nje mina ngakubala. And the upgrade nakhona. Yabo, and obviously maybe intshontsha ngaleso sikhathi it wasn't nice. Amaphara angena endlini yamngani wami eThekwini. Angena ngamabhatla, ibhatla ivaliwe, angena ezimbobeni zamabhatla, antshontsha i-laptop yami, antshontsha namateka ami kuphela. Angantshontsha lutho endlini yemngani wami, angantshontsha lutho zabanye abantu. Wabona ukuthi kufuhlisiwe kukhishwe yonke into, because masingena nje hayibo indlu si upside down. Amateka ami nje ne-laptop yami kwahamba. Wathi uNkulunkulu, I relax, I will restore it in many folds, and he restored it. I have now a nice laptop engilondolozile. Awu kamateke ke ubutata. Ngize nginamateke mina mhlambe ngagcina ukwagqoka 3 ngani. Ngathi ngagqoka yiwali ngakhohlwa yilona. That was God. So please follow my business page. Ngiyabonga Sompisi. Thank you. Yebo ngumZulu. Do you know that song Nkomo Ziyophuza? Yes. Kodwa lo mcimbi niwenza ngoKhisimusi nithini? Ngathi ngoba siyaphuza siyobona kodwa uKhisimusi. Of course, uzobona. Awuzobona. Umcimbi owenziwa nge-20 from 6 to 6. Basically ngo-6 kusasa umcimbi usuphelile. Uyahamba ekhaya uyolala nje leyo 3 hours. Shuthi from 6 up until 9, 10 uyavuka uyageza uyabangena. Yenza ekuseni kakhulu. Abantu besifazane bayazi ukuthi shuthi bona nge-23 basedrobheni. Iyeke lento yokuya edrobheni nge-24. Isiphithiphithi nesiminyaminya emalentweni kuze kuliwe. Iyeke ngempela lento yokuya ey'toro nge-24 sinqanda kona lokho. Yabona hambe mhlawumbe nge-23 nge-22 mfike niyachopha. You guys have umuntu esifazane nje unosuku lonke uthi chopha amarinate inyama. Uyabo bese ayeza akazojoyina. Sakusekuseni uvuka uyayipheka le nyama yakhe. Uyabo mina ke cabanga ngizobe sebenza kangaka. Because the Khumalos must have their Christmas. Nangumakoti la uzobe elentweni emile. Niyakaze futhi ngivele ngikade lapha egate emcimbini. Bese futhi Friday ngizobe sengiyo kwenza. And then ngiyahamba ngekhaya. Ngiyahamba ngekhaya. Hayi. New Year the same manje nje ndlela ekhaya angeke ngidlele nje kaKhumalo. I want to be free. Avethandwa uqoka size ba. Unxiba size bani. Nazo-ke shefa ikhona vele ingoma. Vele besifisa lokho yabo because manje abanye abantu basuka kude bebeze edrobheni. So asingaluke siza kaningi edrobheni. Miphela nje ingoma. Uzani ngapha. And I'm sure uKhumalo is going to be endorsing ingoma as well. So I don't know. Ngizwe ngathi khona iplan elikanjalo. Ngiyabonga Khubelicious ngiyabonga. Hi Lou. Osho Khumalo. Ayakanamsindo ngempela ke shema Khumalo. Pretty Khumalo. Makeup lessons are 1,000 rand up until ukwazi ukwenza kanje. Bese mayiza nekit okusho ukuthi after your lesson you get yonke into oyidingayo nje makeup, it's 2,000 rand. Shuthi ngizobe ngikuthenga ngalele nge-1,000 rand. Excuse me, yonke into ozoyidinga right futhi ezokusebenzela based on your skin. Uyabo? Niben right. Ngizothi ngilambile. Please don't forget to follow my business page. Ngiyanicela Nthando, please. Please follow it. Mawufika lapha na like, comment and reshare. Ngiyanicela just reshare. And then bengicelile please abantu abathathu next week. Please next week I need 3 models. Sizokwenza nje just a glam session. Ngiyacela please. Ngicela 3 models next week. Angisho nje kanje futhi ngabalimit abantu. Umuntu ozokwazi nje ukufika at the Glen Mall. Umuntu ozokwazi ukufika at the Glen Mall, please. Ngiyacela. The Glen Mall is Johannesburg South. Uzoba live nini Facebook? I'm not sure, yes. I don't know. I guess I'm just getting comfortable up. I'm not sure. Thabile Khumalo, ngicela please isikole sami sisendaweni yami, so you come to me. Thabile Khumalo ngisacela ungisendele message manje la ku DM. Mangiphuma nje la manje ngizongena kulo DM loyo ngicheck because there was another lady who said she's available, so next week please. I saw event enkatha ngifuna kuzoshutha nawe ngisaba. Ugqoke kahle. Kamlambo ngiyabonga Sithando. Kodwa ugqoke kahle wasiwadlala ngami. Ngisakhuluma ngigqoke ngikhathalele neduku. Koketho always is in Alex. Oh, Spash, thank you. Sekumele udayise ney'nywele manje ngivame ukubona ubuhle bequality bezakho. Listen, my friend sells hair. Wangikhumbuza umngane wami udayisa proper hair. It's House of Hair. I-page lakhe House of Hair. Ngiyalikhohlwa. Ngizothi mangibuya la ngibuye nalo i-page nomngane wami. She sells tea. She literally went to Vietnam. Wayososela premium quality. Uyabo? So yeah. Ngeke kwaba kuhleke ukuthi umngane wami edayisa inywele bese nami ngiyayidayisa inywele. Kumele sisupportane. We are not in competition. Yabo? Nomuntu une-skill sakhe. Uyena une-skill senywele. Mina nako ngine-skill so make uphana. Zinhle Bendalo, please text me ngale if you're available. Please text me. Share ama number indaba iqhubeke ku WhatsApp. Sikwazi ukuthi senzenani kusasa. Ngicela ukwazi malini iclass. So iclass intombi it is 1,000 rand and akuyi ngokuthi insuku ezungakhe. Kuya ngokuthi umasterishe ukwenza i-full face beat. Yes, so if it doesn't take you 1 day, if it takes you 3 days, if it takes you a week, we will do a week until you master it, right? Mangithi master it, ngichaza ukuthi uzoba nje mhle, uzokwazi ukuyenza nje everything. Yabo, you're gonna know wonke basic kumele wazi nge-makeup. And then 2,000 rand uma ngabe ufuna mina ngikuthengela ama products. So I can buy products for you, uzokwazi ukuthi uqhubeke ngawo kuwasebenzise. Uyabo? Alternatively, phela uma ufunda vele uzowabona nama products mhlawumbe uyithengeleke kancane. So ikanjalo ke. Love you all guys. Niben right inkosi nibusisa. Qala manje. Whatever ufisa ukuyiqala manje. Qala. Lita, so affordable, but I'm all the way in Cape Town. Oh, I'm so sorry, Lita. Yeah, well, now it's going to be expensive if you have to book me flights to Cape Town. Oh, how I miss Cape Town. Kwenziwani madoda? Thandeka. Unikhuluma ngani? I-makeup. I need 3 models for next week. Because bengisho ukuthi ngiyabona nami ukuthi ngiya-improve. However, I also want to be able to try kwabanye abantu. So 3 models next week. Sipendane nje sibe bahle. Sishute. Senze content ngiposte. Sunday ngena sithando lapha ukuthi sixoxe. Ngiyabonga Nondu, ngiyabonga. Can you do a video mama singene usuqedile okunye? Can you do a video mama singene usuqedile okunye? Okay, I understand. I-video yani mama mhlawumbe sengilahlekile. I-video mhlawumbe ngichaza lento engiyichazayo. Ngizoyenza bese ngiyayipost actually futhi ngizoyenza nginje. Sengasaphumeke manje.